Today, we are tackling a topic that's incredibly important for long-term health: preventing type 2 diabetes through the power of food. A lot of people think that a diabetes prevention diet means boring, tasteless meals. Well, I'm here to show you just how delicious and satisfying it can be. I've put together a complete 7-day meal plan that's packed with flavor and designed to keep your blood sugar stable and your body happy. This plan is all about balanced, low glycemic, fiber-rich, and anti-inflammatory foods. We're saying a firm no thanks to added sugars, refined carbs, and greasy deep-fried stuff. Ready to feel amazing? Let's dive into day 1. We're starting our week off strong. For breakfast on day 1, we're having a warm, comforting bowl of oatmeal. But not just any oatmeal. We're boosting it with chia seeds for extra fiber and omega-3s, a sprinkle of cinnamon, which is great for blood sugar regulation, some antioxidant-rich blueberries, and a few almonds for healthy fats and a satisfying crunch. This breakfast will keep you full and energized all morning. For lunch, we've got a vibrant and delicious grilled chicken salad. Think tender grilled chicken breast over a bed of fresh greens, topped with creamy avocado for healthy fats, and dressed with a simple, elegant mix of olive oil and balsamic vinegar. It's light yet incredibly filling. Then, for dinner, we're enjoying a beautiful piece of baked salmon, a fantastic source of anti-inflammatory omega-3 fatty acids. We'll pair that with some fluffy quinoa, a complete protein and complex carb, and a side of steamed broccoli. This meal is a nutritional powerhouse, and if you feel a bit peckish later, our optional snack is some plain Greek yogurt with a few walnuts. All right, on to day 2. For breakfast, we're going with a classic. 2 boiled eggs for a great protein hit, served with 1 slice of whole grain toast and some fresh tomato slices. It's simple, quick, and perfectly balanced. Lunch is a hearty and warming lentil soup. Lentils are amazing. They're packed with fiber and plant-based protein, which helps stabilize blood sugar levels. Serve it with a small side of mixed greens tossed in a zesty lemon dressing for some freshness. For dinner on day 2, we're making a delicious stir-fried tofu with brown rice. We'll load it up with colorful bell peppers and plenty of garlic. Tofu is a fantastic plant-based protein, and this stir-fry is a great way to get a variety of veggies in. And for your optional snack? A small apple with a tablespoon of natural, no sugar-added peanut butter. It's the perfect combo of sweet, salty, and crunchy. Welcome to day 3. We're kicking things off with a super fast and nutrient-dense smoothie. Just blend some unsweetened almond milk, a handful of spinach, you won't even taste it, I promise. Half a banana for natural sweetness, a scoop of your favorite protein powder, and a tablespoon of flaxseed for fiber. This is perfect for those busy mornings. For lunch, we're keeping it fresh and crisp with turkey lettuce wraps. Use large lettuce leaves as your wrap and fill them with lean ground turkey, a dollop of hummus, and some chopped cucumber and tomato. They are so refreshing and fun to eat. Dinner is grilled cod, a light and flaky white fish served with some mashed sweet potatoes, a lower glycemic alternative to white potatoes, and a side of tender crisp asparagus. This meal is both elegant and incredibly healthy. If you need a snack later, grab some carrot sticks and a small handful of cashews. We're already at day 4 and feeling great. Breakfast today is a Greek yogurt parfait. We'll layer plain Greek yogurt with mixed berries and a sprinkle of sunflower seeds for a nice crunch. It's like having a healthy dessert for breakfast. Lunch is a fantastic chickpea quinoa salad. This is a great meal to prep ahead of time. Just mix cooked quinoa, canned chickpeas, some chopped veggies like cucumber and bell peppers, and toss it all in a simple olive oil and lemon dressing. It's a perfect plant-powered lunch. For dinner, we're making a classic chicken and vegetable stir-fry, but with a twist. Instead of rice, we're using cauliflower rice to lower the carb count and sneak in another vegetable. It's flavorful, filling, and super satisfying. And for a snack, one of my favorites, half an avocado sprinkled with a little sea salt. It's creamy, rich in healthy fats, and so simple. Can you believe it's already day 5? Time flies when you're eating well. For breakfast, we're having scrambled eggs with sautéed spinach and mushrooms. This is a fantastic way to start your day with protein and veggies, keeping you full and focused. Lunch is a quick and easy tuna salad. But we're ditching the heavy mayo. Instead, mix canned tuna with a drizzle of good quality olive oil, a squeeze of lemon juice, and some herbs. Serve it over a bed of mixed greens for a light and protein-packed midday meal. Dinner tonight is a cozy and flavorful black bean chili. This vegetarian chili is loaded with fiber from the beans and packed with spices. You can serve it with a small portion of brown rice on the side. It's pure comfort in a bowl. And for your optional snack, enjoy a small pear or some unsweetened coconut chips for a little bit of natural sweetness and crunch. We're heading into the weekend with day 6. Breakfast today is cottage cheese with sliced peaches and a sprinkle of chia seeds. Cottage cheese is an underrated protein star, and the juicy peaches make it feel like a real treat. For lunch, we're getting creative with zucchini noodles, or zoodles, tossed with grilled chicken and a delicious pesto sauce. This is a fantastic low-carb alternative to traditional pasta that doesn't skimp on flavor. Dinner is a taste of the sea with grilled shrimp, served alongside some nutty wild rice and sautéed kale. Shrimp is a great lean protein, and kale is one of the most nutrient-dense foods on the planet. This meal is as delicious as it is good for you. If you need a snack, crunchy celery sticks with a bit of almond butter are a perfect choice. And just like that, we've made it to day 7. We're finishing the week strong. For breakfast, we have delicious overnight oats. The night before, just mix rolled oats with your milk of choice, cinnamon, flaxseed, and sliced strawberries. In the morning, you'll have a creamy, ready-to-eat breakfast waiting for you. Lunch is a lentil and avocado wrap. You can use a whole grain tortilla or a large lettuce leaf. Fill it with a savory lentil mash and creamy avocado slices for a fiber and healthy fat-filled meal that will keep you going all afternoon. For our final dinner of the week, we're making baked turkey meatballs with a simple tomato sauce, served with a medley of roasted vegetables like zucchini, bell peppers, and onions. It's a classic comfort food meal made healthy and balanced. And for your final optional snack, a handful of mixed nuts or a hard-boiled egg is a great choice. And there you have it, a full 7-day meal plan designed to help you prevent diabetes while enjoying delicious, satisfying food every single day. Remember, consistency is key, but it's also about progress, not perfection. Use this plan as a guide, get creative, and listen to your body. Making these small, sustainable changes can have a huge impact on your long-term health. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you feel inspired to try out these meals. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our future content. Stay healthy, stay happy, and I'll see you in the next video.